Customer is looking to have an estimate to have their backyard patio put in place. So I'll go over it real briefly. I did just send an image, upload the PDF for you, Sherry, so you should be able to have it. So, all right. So first things first, the patio is going to be going kind of in this general range here, and they've got there's going to be a 4-foot space between the house and where the patio starts. So know that there's 4 feet that's there. They want this done in planks, in 18 by 3 planks. So we're going to give them the option of the True Blue, it's not True Blue, the Blue Select bluestone that's gauged, the Blue Select that's full cleft, and then also Baltic bluestone. So give them those 3 prices because they're 3 different prices, obviously. And they're going to be laid as planks. So with that in mind, I took the measurements so that way we'd come out to a nice increment. So from the point of the 4 feet out, we are coming out 13.5 feet. They kind of had it marked out here, so they had this line right here and square over there and square over here. So we're going to come out 13 feet from that planter. So I'm sorry, 13.5 feet, 13.5, because that equals at 1.5 the plank sizes. So, and it's 21 feet from the corner over here to the edge of this egress window. So that's going to be, it's 21 by 13.5, and then it's going to extend over into the so that way it covers over into the walkway here, the steps that we have over here. So as we were talking about it, we talked about putting in a grill pad. So as a line item, we're going to line item a grill pad that's a 3-foot walk this way, a 3-foot walk going this way to a 5 by 3 pad over here for grilling. So just a little L walk to get to actually just, it's a single walk coming off the current walk going to the grill pad over there. So let's see. We're getting rid of the obviously the rock that's in here, and they asked us if we could get rid of the rest of the rock. So throwing a couple $100 just to get rid of the rock from in this general range. It's going to take maybe an hour, maybe 2 for one grunt. It's big pieces, so it's not, we won't be able to use a shovel, so maybe it will take a little bit longer. A couple $100 ought to suffice. It's just going over to the edge of the house over here. So from here to here, this rock is coming out. There was mention of edge rock in here, so why don't we put in 21 linear feet of edge rock to go on the back side of this patio right here, just to keep the dirt off the patio as well. So then we come to access. We're going to bid this as if we have access. He said that he thinks that they can get this post out of the ground and that post out of the ground, move it over, and then drive on the neighbor's lawn. I said I need 6 feet. If he has 6 feet for us, then great, we'll do it. However, the realist in me knows that that's probably not going to work out, because you see the footing right here that's sticking up out of the ground. It's going to be a bear to get this thing in and out. So let's find out what it would cost to do this as a manual versus renting a walk behind dingo for, let's call it 4 days. 4 days we should be able to excavate this and get it prepped and get some material back here. So because it's planks and they're all the same size, we don't need a dingo for the whole time, but yeah, it might be worth our time to yeah, we'll see. We'll compare and contrast some costs on that. So and if we do use the dingo, then we'd probably come from this side, so that way we're not driving on the neighbor's property as well. Yeah, yuck. Maybe not. They've got steppers here, and I don't want to break their steppers. So maybe we make it, I hate doing this, but maybe we make it more feasible to just do it manually. If we do it manually, we just have to come around here. And let's see, I'll show you where. I mean, the road's right here. Their driveway's right here. So, not a terrible manual. Nice and flat, fortunately, not up any hills. So, where are we? We are in Edina, so take that into consideration as well.